Here's everything you need to know in creating TikTok content. It's going to be a little bit longer than my usual videos, but I want to make sure I explain everything from A to Z so you guys can use it for yourselves. Let's go. Don't know what to post on TikTok? Ask TikTok. Let me show you. Open your TikTok, click on Discover, and type in your niche-related keyword. I'm going to type in Amazon FBA, and then you're going to click on Filter, go to last 3 months and most liked. These are the most top-performing videos in your niche that you can replicate. Another way to do it is look at the comments of your trending videos and get ideas from that. Now bring those ideas to your notepad. How to find trending audio on TikTok? Go to your Discover and then type in Trend Alert. And then you're going to do the same thing, click on Filter, but this time go to this week and most liked. Here are all your TikTok trends. The next way is actually downloading the Trend Talk app that gives you all the trending audio on TikTok. Super easy to use. Finding the right hashtag is really important to add to your TikToks because it's going to tell the algorithm where to push that content out to. Here's a free tool that you can use to find the right hashtags for your niche. This website will help you with all your hashtags. Just type in your niche related keyword and it's going to populate all the related hashtags in your niche. Okay, now that you have all these great ideas, you need a proper workflow because we have a lot of other commitments. It can be school, work, your job, your business. So you need a workflow so that you can commit yourself to actually creating the TikTok content. Let me show you 2 free tools that you can start using today. You can use free tools like Trello or Airtable, which is what I prefer because you can customize your workflow. Here's an example of what I created for myself. I have content idea, my script, I can put my hook, story, offer, and then my hashtags, the stage my content is in, and also finally if I'm going to repurpose that content for like IG Reels or Pinterest idea pins. Okay, what type of content should you post? As you know, TikTok is always changing. Recently, it did announce that it's going to be pushing more longer form videos up to 10 minutes and original content. When I say original content, it's like videos of people talking, showing their face like I'm doing right now. So it doesn't mean that trending videos or like pointing videos or dancing videos are not going to work on TikTok. It will, but it's always good to have a diversified content strategy. When I say diversified, it means trying out different pieces of content and seeing which one works best for your audience. For an example, in my TikToks, I recently did videos on websites I wish I knew earlier, and it feels like it's really working because you guys seem to like it. So everything is so different to the type of audience that you're catering to. So make sure that you're testing different pieces of content and then listening to your audience and then creating or replicating the ones that work well for your profile. Alright, let's talk about editing your TikTok videos. There are 2 ways to do it. One, you can create all your TikTok content with all the filters and all the good stuff within the TikTok app. Or you can use your smartphone and then bring that video into a third-party editor like CapCut, InShot, or Capwin to edit all your TikTok videos. I've tested both ways and it kind of performs the same. It really comes down to the quality of your content. Okay, now that you have all your TikTok content done and ready to go, make sure that you have a schedule to post it. So you can either save it as a draft on your TikTok or you can actually schedule it out if you're using TikTok on desktop. I think you can schedule it up to about 10 days, so that's very convenient. Another popular question that I see on TikTok is how often should you post on TikTok? Well, it's no secret that if you post a lot more content on TikTok, you're gonna grow a lot faster. You know, I see people post like 6 to 10 times a day. That's great, but it all comes down to how sustainable that is for you. So I would rather post 1 to 2 times a day consistently for the next 30 days than post 10 times a day for 2 days and then burn out. So choose a strategy, once again, that's most convenient for you and that you can easily implement for the next 30 to 60 days. So that's a wrap, guys. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comments, and if you guys are not already following me, make sure you hit that plus sign so that you can see more videos like this one. Take care.